Hi everybody, could you use some good news? Well, let's start with this. Researchers in England have found that drugs currently being used to treat leukemia can boost immunity against many other forms of cancer. The drugs are called P110 delta inhibitors, and they've been effective against leukemia in clinical trials. Now, in a new study conducted at University College London, the Babraham Institute, and Queen Mary University of London, and published in the journal Nature, these drugs have been shown to limit tumor growth, reduce the chances of relapse, and increase the ability of the body's immune system to attack and destroy tumor cells in a variety of cancers. Immunotherapy has been one of the most promising areas of cancer research. If the P110 delta inhibitors live up to the potential suggested by this study, they could lead to newer, better therapies for a wide range of cancers, including some, like pancreatic cancer, for which there are currently few effective treatments. Next up, the estimated ages of the Earth and the Moon have been revised. It turns out they're about 60 million years older than we thought they were. Researchers at France's University of Lorraine analyzed isotopes of xenon trapped in samples of ancient quartz found in South Africa and Australia and discovered evidence that Earth's atmosphere formed approximately 40 million years after the solar system began to form, 60 million years earlier than previously estimated. Since the Earth's atmosphere would have had to have formed after the massive impact that created the Moon, which would have obliterated any atmosphere that may have existed prior to that, the new estimate applies to the age of the Moon as well. This is the awesome power of science. Traces of gas found in some pieces of quartz are able to tell us something about the history of our solar system. Finally, a new study from a pair of MIT professors argues that the vocalizations of birds and non-human primates may hold the key to the origins of human language. The study, published in the journal Frontiers in Psychology, builds on a theory previously introduced by lead author Shigeru Miyagawa, which describes human language as consisting of two overlapping but distinct layers: the expressive layer, which relates to sentence structure, and the lexical layer, which relates to content. In this new study, Miyagawa and his co-authors argue that the expressive layer is rooted in the melodic vocalizations of birds, while the lexical layer has an antecedent in the vocalizations of lower primates. The key innovation in human language, then, was synthesizing bird and primate vocalizations to create a system that uses a limited set of basic linguistic elements to create expressions capable of communicating an essentially unlimited number of ideas, a capacity the birds and primates who provided the fundamental basis of human language apparently don't possess. A leukemia drug boosts immunity against a wide variety of cancers. It turns out the Earth and the Moon are 60 million years older than we thought, and human language may have evolved from the vocalizations of birds and primates. That's the good news. Job well done, Aunt.